So today, finality and authority and vindication has been given to Asantehene, and today, Upholds Gazette has been vindicated that indeed is a true overlord of Sampahene Traditional Council.
Ebusuya for mo call ba so TV dwumadi so no first time I hear so TV no subscribe no like no comment no share them out for so dey nya bia hwe an ene ba court ene on the 18th of July ene ba court Sampa ene na number jafra issue no Sampa akonya nsensem no ya say the court da ya ene ba court ya ni be hwe say ne nana ajumabadu ebeba abepim kwadu ko share say ne de womra and because last time obai no court pamon na tramuni no obai no pamon so wonko no amumu ye de emra na na yesi wo ba court no sabio ye wa ha ye hwede kwakosi ntebusuya ye ntwen na ye hwede kwakosi after court no ye bedi nkomo ne ye hunie ye kokosi ye bia ewo ye Kumase high court ahase nti kamuchuku ne betofo bi de go so wo so tejuade so ciao.
Right, open kesi abomboko je.
Odaroma bia boko.
Nene den is your court.
Odaroma amje yemfa akonye na ye Cheira Asantehene, the president of the Asante Nation. Time and again, we keep on telling the Ghanaian people that there's an authority in this country. And so when someone speaks, he's speaking on authority. And so today we came to the court in the authority and an authority that Asantehene auspices. And so clearly we were here to let the Ghanaian people know, say, Ampa Asantehene, Asama, Ana, Anamutu Asantehene, tu yeno, or tu Amana Efe, and the court no Asemukina, Sampans in Semna Esieno, our Janaye, our Kayano. Court no ashe the Bun Regional House of Chief that as of Monday they should submit the document. They should submit the document. Which Regional House of Chief? The Bun Regional House of Chief, the High Court, all right? And then they should submit the document. So man submit the document the Sampahene Traditional Council should do that authority and submit the document to the National House of Chief and for them to work on it. So today, finality and authority and vindication has been given to Asantehene, and today, Upholds Gazette has been vindicated that indeed he's a true overlord of Sampahene Traditional Council. That is the position of the court today, and it's over. It's over. It's over. Well, it has been sealed, and this is the authority of the law, and nothing can be done. It's not by anybody. Nobody have authority in this country. The law is authority. It is the law is authority, not Rana Kasa. Who are you to say you will not submit yourself to the law? Everybody must submit himself to the law. And that is why we say he's overlord. All right? And Otumfo and Asantehene will continue to be great. Because Asante is a nation on its own. We have our own rules and regulations and authorities. Time and again, Asantehene Kasa no Akasa. And for that matter, you can sit on social media and speak whatever you want to speak. But if you think you don't believe it, you come to court. We've come to court. And court has vindicated everybody. And that's it. And finality. And it's over.
And President the appointment, the High Court judge of appeals court. Another man in the income. The beginning effects be on cases.
Oh well, for now, court naka, but of course, you might appoint in Dormaahene say uncle to the appeal court. Appeal court. Well, we thank Yamani Tinkwa, right? Yamani Tinkwa so my appointing. But the question therefore is, Obia said we want misconducting no. What I say? With the greater respect, I need them now brasimu. MJ anamu 2 hours to no kumanet and same for that time. If you say ebina contempt, and no man say into a fumra. It is a wadarmo be a fumra na say be monsan say no kutupa. Now we promote to say the appeal court that it's like it's an insult to the Ghanaian people. But of course, the president had the right to appoint. President no to me so appointed. But the fact that you have the right to appoint, we equally are Ghanaians, you have the right to think. And we feel that what you are going to do is a disrespect to the Ghanaian people because he has shown disrespect to the Ghanaian people. He has shown disrespect to the law. Time and again, I say, court can't say, and today the court understand. So clearly, we leave it to the conscience of the Ghanaian people. Ghana for Mona Monka. Whatever happened, so be it. Sesebi nipa watu shana mutuno Namonsa Ekupejana. We leave it to the Ghanaian people to think. And we will not say anything as much as the president has the right. At the end of the day, it's the Ghanaian people who think. Champa, Shana Mutune, Sefata, and Sefata. We leave it to the people.
Now, Jidi said, Dormaahene, and nice be something at the Biano Castle, be book or to Masuna.
Only to me, he was just trying to mislead the people. And today, this is the authority. He has no authority. But of course, he was misleading the people. You can choose to mislead. But when finality or when people who are rational take you on, and that is what Tole Samadafla, who is a man of rational, who is a man of reasoning, and who believe in the law, all right, at the end of the day, took him on. And he has exposed him that indeed he has no authority. And today the law have exposed him that you, the fact that you are the president of the Born Regional House of Chiefs, you have no authority to sit down and make a determination. So therefore, you have been ordered to do what is right. And so therefore, he has been exposed today.
Now an appeals court judge, when him say, Obenya influence be their maneuver more documents.
Oh no, it's over. It's over. That's over. We are not going to entertain him anymore. It's over. We are not going to entertain him anymore. I think we see anything. We want to tell the people of this country that it's over. And Asantiman has won. And Tulesa Madafla has won. And for that matter, that's it. It's over. Yeah. I think we see anything. All right? Right.
Aside documents on submitting. Contempt in Mr. Sutribio, Yamana Sutribia.
It has been deferred to 17th of October.
Okay.
Yaseno. Bring the document on Monday. One farmer, the Sampa Traditional Council should bring the document.
Okay.
All right? And then whether one farmer, one for he be gazetted. If you oba on the October 17th, no bete, say be asundia court no woman.
So next question
there for judgment. Ah, say be ye punish no. All right, until ye hono mobo. If indeed he's a man of he's a man of somebody who believe in the law, and he is a rational man, and so court probably is a key that they are trying to give you. They want to show you your respect. Do what is right. Do the needful. Probably before you come for the judgment. Say sebi utu anamutu ayese fata na ba na sebi ye ka judgment kwa court me hu mo bo sampa court no kan sebi utu asan mu time kwa na afi ye kan say ye san show biem say Monday ana am fam Sampa Traditional Council en famra no sebi wanu hu na still na wo sha na wo sha won sampa you see that the law is the law.
Now, court away processes now. Unjin said 3 months is too much time for judgment.
No, sebi wadaroma sana mranite wadaroma honrasim anyawe yanyamre yamanyamre sebi chief justice try no to say try na or no so onyo bia betimi try no, and so as long as they are trying the chief justice he is equally triable, and so he must show respect to the law. Enti sana court na kan wadaroma honrasim.
Final words.
Okay, would you this 17th Dormaahene beba?
Wamo court no shower the law you tell you sebi wadaroma on say officer sebi obi otumi a. And there should be one of the for bad time be an old man. What I say, my miss of be same run action or high be a so it tells you that the law is can work.
Okay.
And so everybody can be charged.
Okay.
What you say, into be and you be a what you say. And so it tells you no, it doesn't matter. I'm trying to tell you, say, the Tibiano and running bit me what I say, and it doesn't matter. What I say,
your final words to Sampahene Asante.
Yeah, can say, Yena, the Yan kind of home. Na sebi, Sinebeya, Impumtu, Nkoso, Ever Santimine, Bibia, Sebi, Yena interest will be ano. That's the most important thing. And that is what we have to fight for, and that's what we have to canvass for.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Ebusian for da ekoso yan pitri abusian da ekoso yan pitri ene sampa ensensem no ene sabio na adwuma bedu issue no sabi abawi ene ene ena sabi aroya for just for tena asem no so ne ye hwese na wona Dormaahene ba bet ye hu ni ha ene so ama ai papa ina so de hakra hu na so de ba hu bet eye ye say aban so bona baso pagya ne say obeye na ko appeals court judge intino ye bebo ne tiri nkwa say eja ebia enim de entie wa ye bona baso de bet bibi obi ahia baso bode entie be bona baso na ye kosu ye se ma motie nsem ne course motie nsem ne course ye da kosu ne pitri ye se edu ada ya documentary ne emra ye mfa nko no mo gazette na Samodua ase Sampahene pepepe abusu abawie ye se faruku se hwanye o obi ani ho bio Kotokohene ka asema ya be man ya dan wa no ye hwade asantema wura 2 minute kura Kotokohene intu na so nti ase ne abaye bia enti abusuafo eye Sampahene no enne abawie ye anesa abawie ye anesa ye gazette ni wi ya wie ejo de ye gazette no bia abawie enti abusua me am gi dwuma di o che fam ko Alaska bidi mbosia da sene besa atwa so de mama pia.
So thank you for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. And thank you to those who are about to subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel and share and like the videos that I give you.